Whether your customer is speaking with Fin AI agent, with human support, or self-serving on your help center, their experience hinges on the quality and accuracy of the knowledge sources you've made available. But how can this be ensured without compromising efficiency? Knowledge Hub to the rescue. Knowledge Hub is your centralized content management system for all your support material, no matter its source. View all your content under one roof, including synced content from your external knowledge bases. And at a glance, see what Fin AI Agent and Fin AI Copilot are using to generate answers. You can manage the audience for each piece of content, making sure each customer only receives information relevant to them. And use bulk actions to update content at scale, ensuring Fin, teammates and customers have the best information at hand. Crucially, Knowledge Hub makes it straightforward to organize your content logically for easy maintenance and collaboration, so you can continue to drive results for Fin, teams and self-serving customers alike. Let's dig in.